Hey, I'm Jeff Doigg, and I own Doiggs Restoration and Cleaning in Rockwall, and I've recently hired Johnny with Raptor IT Solutions to come out and help us solve some problems at our office, and he was so amazing. I just wanted to sit down and give a little review for him. We had some issues, and he came out and he helped us build a secure network. Every time I've called Johnny, he's been Johnny on the spot. He's answered his phone. The best thing that I like is he's 24/7. My office assistants had questions and she's called him, and he's always been right there to answer the phone, been able to help us over online, so he didn't actually have to come out and make a trip. He was actually able to help us on the line, and that saved us some money. So his professionalism, his courtesy, and the way he treats his customers is unmatched in anybody that I've ever used with my computer needs.